My name is Atef Limam, SPARAC project officers dealing with marine protected areas. And let me recall that Mediterranean marine protected areas suffer from a lack of integration into their socio-economic context and do not really serve as an effective tool that supports livelihoods while conserving natural resources. And that has been one of the main challenges tackled by UNEP MAP SPARAC, especially through the European Union funded project, the IMAP MPA project, with the purpose that those socio-economic aspects are taken into consideration as a prerequisite for the effective management of Mediterranean protected areas, allowing hence to overcome the usual MPA versus users opposition.